What's up guys, Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to ride switch. So if you don't know what switch snowboarding is, basically everyone has their preference of how they want to go down the hill. Switch snowboarding is when you go the opposite direction of your preference. So everyone's gonna get very comfortable going one way. To ride switch is you go your uncomfortable way and you do all the same tricks and all the same stuff you do that way. The reason why you want to learn how to ride switch is if this is my regular way and I do a 180 and I land, now I'm riding switch. So if you want to learn how to 180, 540, if you want to just do like half cab tricks on jumps, you have to be able to ride switch. But also in the trees, it can help. You could be doing runs in the trees and also you need to boop, go switch a little bit, then boop, you go back to regular. So riding switch pays off in so many ways and will definitely help you become a better rider. So in order to ride switch, you're basically relearning how to snowboard just the other direction. But the nice part is you already know how to ride your snowboard. You know how it feels to be locked in on your heel edge. You know how it feels to be locked in on your toe edge. So really, all you're trying to do is get comfortable going straight down the mountain, switch, and then adjusting to these edges. So you can do two things. You could do a J turn where you go straight down the run and then stop on that heel edge that you already know how to use. Or straight down the hill, stop on that toe edge that you already know how to use. The next part, and also like make sure you do all of this going very slow. The next part is to just do small S turns like you're a beginner. Go across the fall line like a beginner. And just really work and relearn how to ride switch. Because if you just start bombing down the mountain like you normally snowboard, trying to ride switch, you're gonna catch an edge and you're gonna what? That sucks. We're past that stage. We don't wanna do that again. What? So after like kind of figuring out how to ride switch, this is how I took my switch riding to the next level. I started every single run switch during the day. Strap in at the top of the mountain, start the mountain switch. Usually at the top of the mountain is kind of a slow section, so you get to work on those cars and everything. And then when you get to a point where you get scared and you're like, I don't wanna do this anymore, go back to regular, you're good to go. But the next run, you gotta go further than that last point. And it's a game, it's a challenge. You gotta always go further than the last time you went. And by the end of the day, you'll be riding switch down the whole run, I promise you. And my last tip for riding switch, this comes down to the park. If you're in the terrain park and you want to ride switch, start small. Big dance boxes, small jumps. You gotta learn how to ride park once again, but switch. So always work on switch. If you want to become that next level rider, it is something you have to learn. So take the time, guys, especially early season. It's a great time to put in the work and learn how to ride switch. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helps you ride switch. A ton of people have been asking for this video, so I'm happy to bring it to you. If you want other questions or other videos, comment down below. Let me know what you want me to make a how-to video on, and I'll do that for you. Also, if you want to work with me on your snowboarding, I offer a Snowboard 101 course in my Patreon. It's linked down below. I post 4 videos a month, 1 a week, covers 3 tips on how to be a better snowboarder. It's super sick, so check out my Patreon page. Lastly, Evolution stickers, they're always linked in the description. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.
Yeah, sick. Good thing you know how to turn.